video, yun po, yung may mga, hinahayaan naman po kami ng management na mag-explore sa ganung bagay, sa mga kaya din po namin gawin bukod sa Bini po.
So this leads me to my next question. Napanood ko kasi yung video niyo po sa Binondo, yung nagbibigay tayo ng mga papers. Ito yung lucky day mo na pinamimigay sa Bini. How does it feel now na we have more than millions na nakikinig ng ating mga song? If makakabalik tayo sa time na nabibigay tayo ng paper, ano kayong masasabi natin doon sa polls?
Actually, na-miss po namin yung moments na yun. Parang nag-enjoy lang tayo mamigay ng mga flyers. And kumain, di ba? Alam mo yung parang kahit saan kami magpunta, well, hindi pa naman talaga super kilala kami nun. Pero, kahit meron kami nakita na pinamimigay na namin na nasa basurahan, parang hindi namin binigdil yun before. Pero,
Masaya siyang ilok ba?
Siguro yung mga humble beginnings.
Yes.
Diba? Ganun talaga pa nagsisimula. Like, aware talaga kami na hindi agad-agad na makikilala talaga yung Bini. So, parang yun yung isa sa mga way namin para ipakilala na, okay, this is Bini. May mga QR codes pa din dun, diba? Para,
music natin,
which leads to
natin.
yung mga, yung Spotify namin, yung mga accounts namin. And, wala, pag nag-look back kami, parang ang sarap niyang balikan kasi pinaghirapan talaga namin kung ano talaga, kung nasaan kami ngayon. So, sa mga tao na sumusuporta ngayon, sobrang na-appreciate po namin kayong lahat. And kasama namin kayo sa karerang ito.
Yes, palakpakan naman natin yan. Thank you, Manoy. And of course, JR.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And also we have from RNG, we have Charles. Is Charles here? Charles Nico. Okay na. How about Robinson? Okay, so we have, going back to Herald Express, we have Sir Dexter. Sir Dexter, do we have any question for Bini? Okay, excited lang talaga Sir Dexter no, makita kayo dito guys.
May question po siya.
Ay! Sir Dexter tayo yan!
Kahit naman po, hulaan po namin birthday.
Sir Dexter? Okay, sige. Happy na lang talaga siya, Maloy, just to see you girls here. Okay. Sige, ito na tayo. Let's go with from RNG. Do you still have another question from RNG or okay na tayo doon? Wait. Na-starstruck talaga kayo, guys. Puro kuha na lang tayo. Okay, sige. Let's go on with our guest from UNTV. Miss Grace? Dr. Lero? And she has a question for you, ladies. Ito, from Miss Grace Dr. Lero from UNTV.
Good afternoon. Good evening ako na. Speaking sa award genre ninyo na kinakanta, and since naging part na rin po kayo ng Wish Bus, may mga ginagawa ba kayong mga opening songs na gusto nyo kantahin sa UNTV, sa Wish Bus, since meron na rin tayong Wish Bus sa US and South Korea?
actually, nakapag-perform na po kami sa Wish Bus po sa US. And hopefully, makapag-perform po kami sa South Korea, di ba? Hindi pa po kasi kami nakakapunta doon. Sana. And songs, di ba?
Parang ang lapit na.
Cherry on Top. Yes, yung bago namin single na i-release. Nalala niyo, di ba? By that time, nakapunta na po kami sa South Korea. You never know. Pero yeah, Cherry on Top po. Cherry on Top.
Cherry on top. Okay.
Meron ba yung gusto na talagang pangarap na maging kakulab sa Wish Bus sa US?
When it comes to performing now on live,
Ariana Grande.
Wow.
Taylor Swift po kaya ito, Joe.
yes!
Sabi ko lang Beyonce.
Guys, manifest talaga natin yan. Oo. Miss Grace, do you have a follow-up question? Okay, thank you, Miss Grace. Dr. for UNTV now. Also, we have our friends from K-Light. Now, let's start off with Hillary. Hillary Johnson from 96.7 K-Light. Okay.
Hi, good evening, ladies. I'm Hillary Johnson of 96.7K. Thank you for completing our playlist. You made it on our charts for 2 weeks, so thank you very much for being a part of our playlist. My question is, Baguio City is really relatively smaller in all the venues that you're performing in. How did you choose Baguio as one of your stops?
Well, direct bakit po? No, but I feel like kasi in Baguio, feel ko lang. No, but kasi, di ba, tama ka, go. Thank you. When you're the third time, and feeling ko kasi nga, even if it's cold here, pero kasi warm yung to-greet ng mga tao dito. And there's a lot of people here in Baguio, and we also want to give as much love as we want to give them the same way that they give us.
Yes. Kasi nga, Baguio is a melting pot, of course, from students, mga bakasyonista, and di ba naging huge part rin ng Baguio of your journey, di ba?
Yes, that is right.
Ayun. Okay, so, Hillary?
That's it. Thank you very much. We wish you well, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you! Thank you, Hillary! Ito na, hindi na magpapatalo, of course, kung K-Light. Ito, huge fan. Parker yan! Parker? Parker ka muna! Oh, pinupush mo kami kanina eh. Go, Parker. Our shy boy, come on. Yes. Go, Parker.
Hello, good evening. Following the question of Hillary Johnson earlier today, or tonight, she mentioned about Baguio as your stop for tomorrow's performance. So, from all of us, because these people are from different parts in the Cordilleras, North Luzon, do you have like any plans to redo it in Baguio or in other nearby places?
So, we have plans.
If you have plans more to do a concert after Baguio or like nearby provinces po?
Yeah, definitely, because we really want to perform around the Philippines, unahan po talaga ng Philippines. And also, I think it's nice to perform in remote places because they get to watch us perform when usually hindi naman talaga madaming napupuntahan ng mga tao. So, for sure, we're gonna want to go there, but obviously, like with the schedule right now, it's very hectic, but maybe in the future, hopefully.
Let me just share this, that a couple of days ago, when I got back in the Philippines, I've heard your song somewhere in Taiwan, so congratulations.
Thank you so much, Chino, Parker Yang. Of course, gentle reminder, guys, as much as we have to do this all day, medyo umuulan na rin, guys. So we're gonna wrap this up na. So before, syempre, of course, our ladies need to practice, need to have rest, and of course, for our safety rin. So let's go on. First, Kim, you have a question from K-Light. We're just gonna limit po one question per for the next, for our safety. Go, Kim.
Hi ladies! It's been so exciting to see yung trajectory ng career niyo just in the past year. Sobrang bilis. I first heard of you through a good friend, Nico Del Rosario, who you work with as a songwriter. So I'm so honored. And I thank you for gracing us with your presence here in Baguio. My question, sky's the limit for this question. Where would you want to perform in the future? Whether it's at a big international a stage, an event, or even if it's just a city that you'd like to visit and sing in. Sky's the limit, anywhere at all. Where would it be?
Coachella!
Sa Super Bowl.
Sa moon.
Sa first radio na mag-perform sa
Oy, history na making yun pag moon. Okay ba?
Sabi ko na, sky's the limit.
Yeah, sky's the limit.
And mapuno natin ang Philippine Arena.
Yes!
Ayan.
Pilipinas.
Alright, that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kim. Now let's go from our friends with Business Mirror. We have Ms. Marilu. Ms. Marilu, yeah? Okay, thank you so much. And we have from Big Sound, Sir Rico John Ferrer. Yes. Go, Chairman, KBP.
Maraming salamat. Good evening, mga beautiful binibinis. Welcome to Baguio City. I'm an incidental fan because my daughter is a real fan of Bini. Maraming salamat. Wala ko nga yung autograph book niya. Alright, how do you feel that your music has reached not only locally but internationally, like dancing to your tunes of Pantropico and Salamin Salamin? Well, how do you feel?
We feel extremely blessed kasi we remember those days where every time or before we would have our music videos released, we would always ask, magbo-boom kaya to? Or kailan kaya tayo magbo-boom? Magbo-boom pa ba? O boom pa yes? Every year, kunwari, ng 2021, this is our year. Year natin to, 2022.
Yung ano lagi,
It's every year.
nire-request yung mga songs namin, kunwari, pag kumakain kami sa mga restaurants, gano'n, nire-request talaga namin yung
Kami
songs
nagre-request, hindi sila nagpapatrol.
Pero ngayon sila na yung nagpa-play ng Patrol.
Totoo. 2023, ito na yun, girls. Sorry natin to.
I feel it.
It's 2024 pala.
Pero syempre, bago po namin mahanap tong sound ng Toy Bubblegum Pop, parang nakailang, rin kami, nag-experiment talaga kami. Like yung first album namin, iba-iba ng genre, parang hindi yung, parang hinahanap pa rin namin until our second album, I think. Tapos, ayun, biglang nga po yung Pantropico. So, Nanana pala, yung Nanana. So, nag-stick po kami dun sa ganong genre. And nagustuhan po ng mga tao po. Pero hindi pa rin kami natatakot mag-explore po ng iba pa.
Cherry on top, I think.
Yes, Cherry on Top bago siya sa pandemya. So, abangan niyo po yan.
Even local and international influencers are now dancing your tunes now. So congratulations. My next question, I think your fans deserve an answer from each of you. Ano ang isang bagay sa buhay nyo na dapat hindi nyo kinakarera? May we know from each of you?
Nakakarera.
Ano ang isang bagay sa buhay nyo na dapat hindi nyo kinakarera?
Para napaisip sila doon sa Rico. Okay.
Kinakarera.
Ako siguro yung pagiging bata mo. Like, you have to enjoy your youth. Kasi once na sa certain age ka na, parang dapat pala ginawa ko na ito. Dapat pala ganito, ganyan. So, ngayong bata pa ako, like, ina-enjoy ko siya. I'm seizing the moment.
Yun, seizing the moment. And I think everyone
Kayo,
will agree. Kayo ba? May dali po kayo,
ako.
ladies?
Siguro
The princess.
pagiging magastos. Kasi minsan lang to, pero hindi siya red flag siya actually. Pero kung gagastos kayo sa mga gusto nyo na bagay, pagkain, okay lang yan. Basta isang beses lang tayo mabubuhay. So, if you can't stop thinking about it, buy it.
Yun.
That's my motto.
Ang dami na ang relate.
Ang yaman basta ako.
Magagastos din kasi yung mga...
Ay, hindi. Ganyan talaga. Okay, so Rico?
How about you, Ate?
Yung iba sana para at least marinig natin.
Okay, sige.
Ako po, pagligo, you need to take your time. Ang buhay ay hindi karera. If minamadali ka na ng pamilya mo, patugtugin mo lang yung karera. Yun na yung parinig mo.
Okay.
Ako siguro like yung sing mo in life. Like example, with that I mean, like example, if ako sa age ko na to, 23, I could have been a graduate na sana, yung mga kabatch ko graduate na, pero nasa school pa ako. So, pero it's fine, okay lang yan. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng nasa buhay, na una naman sa akin yung career before I graduated, or hopefully I will graduate. But it's fine, graduate hindi, may trabaho hindi, pero as long as buhay ka, as long as you're breathing and happy in life, happy where you're at, I think that's the very important thing. Yes, trying to live in the moment.
Yes! Same to that kay Aya.
Same din po.
Ako, wait lang, ang akin,
Kaya yan.
pag-ibig.
Ay!
Walang sumagot ng pag-ibig. Kinikilig si Joanna. Pero yun, dapat talaga yung love. Hindi siya
Nakatingin si Direk. Nakatingin
Diba,
si Direk
Direk?
yung pag-ibig.
Hindi i-rush yung love. Kaya meron ako kami. Yeah. Very good. Very good in love. Kasi there are still a lot of people you will meet in life, a lot of things you will learn from people. Pero huwag niyong i-rush kasi dapat talaga focus on yourself muna. Kasi how can you love other people when you can't even fully love yourself and accept yourself completely?
Tsaka pag nagmamadali ka,
Self-love is the best love.
Ito sa mga magaling tao.
Alright, congratulations, welcome to Baguio, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you so much, Sir Rico from Big Sound. Now, of course, from Conti 99.9. Sir John. Okay, let's go with Ma'am Malu before we wrap things up. Ma'am Malu, may question pa daw po si Miss Malu. Ay, there po.
Hello po.
So pretty and live, very lively.
Thank you.
Welcome to Baguio again. Actually, tatanong ako kasi siguro mga apo ko na ang fans fans here. I'd like to have that thrill of telling them I met the people. So anyway, I just want to read, kasi ang ganda ng chemistry mo. How did you get together? As a group?
Oh. Quite a while. Right, Joe?
So, ito po. Magsimula po tayo sa year 2019. So, meron po tayong Star Hunt Grand auditions po. 2018 pala yung auditions po. So, yung Star Hunt Grand auditions po, pupunta siya sa iba't ibang provinces po. And yun, kung saan kami nag-auditions. I think si Staco lang po yung nag-Araneta audition. Yes, pero lahat kami sa mga provinces po namin kami nag-audition po. So, we had callbacks po until na callback kami lahat for... Actually, wala kaming idea before na for a girl group pala siya. Basta pinapakanta, pinapasayaw lang po kami. Tapos, nagdumaan po kami sa bootcamp, 5-day na medyo nakakamatay na training po siya. Tapos doon po nagtatanggalan. Until in-announce po ni Direk Loren na final 8 na po kami and it was not the original plan po talaga before. Kasi parang ang dami ng 8 po, di ba? And ang hirap ng even numbers. Mga ganun. Alis ka na, Jo. Pero I think, magical yung 8 and we're meant to be together. Yes!
Do you love us?
Of
Ano
course!
naging solid? Like, feeling ko naging solid kasi
Nag-stay kami ng isang buong bahay
for how many years?
3 years.
3 years. So, wala kaming choice kundi mag-adjust sa isa't isa.
At i-handle ang mga topak po ng isa't isa.
Yes.
Nang walang uwian. May mga away po, syempre may mga away na, kasi lahat kami mga babae, tapos
Yeah.
halos pagkakalapit ng age, so hindi talaga may iwasan yun. Pero,
I think the fights happen for a reason.
At the end of the day, mas pinipili pa rin namin isa't isa.
True.
Okay. Mamalo.
Keep it up. Keep it as a secret of producing. Mag-a-acapella na kaya sila pag-isa.
Ay, mamalo kasi they just got from a performance from rehearsal. So,
pero pwede po kahit short lang po.
okay. So, pwede mo natin sila. Okay. Ito na. Para saan tayo? Binigyan mo pa ng chance. Questions, Ines. Ano?
Okay, wag mo na tayo.
What can it do? Okay, ladies.
5, 6, 7, go! Huwag muna tayo umuwi, mundo'y tahimik sa iyong tabi. Dito mo maagang palating gabi, naglalaho ang dilim sa iyong ngiti. Dito muna ako.
Wow! Parang naman! Grabe mo, Miss Marilu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Miss Marilu, Business Girl, thank you so much. And of course, from all of our friends from the local press dito po sa Baguio, thank you so much. Sing Lamig ng Baguio ang Boss You Girls. Grabe, thank you so much. And for our Believers, tomorrow na po yan sa Mr. Cap, Sean, A.
Yes.
Ladies, thank you so much. Ayan.
Thank you for spending your night with us, po. Again, we are Beanie Tufi. Thank you, po.
Once again, Beanie here in Baguio. Thank you, ladies. Ayan. Once again, pagsalamatan natin po sa ating Beanie dito po sa Baguio City. Thank you for our friends.